Hi, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Live Handmade. Spring is in the air and I have already started doing my spring DIYs and compiled them into spring DIY playlist. I'll put a link to my spring DIY playlist in the description box below where you can see many DIYs. I'm saying this because in today's video I'm going to use some of my creations to decorate a space. I'm going to decorate a spring coffee table. So I just started decorating my home with the change of season into spring colors, spring flavors. So I'm going to today do my coffee table decorated because I recently got some flowers and I have some of the DIYs that I think will look good. So today I'm going to do a spring coffee table decor for you. You will find all my DIYs in my DIY and decor playlist. And DIYs that are specific to the spring will be in the spring DIY playlist. I welcome all my old friends and those who are new here. What I like to do in my channel is pick up something ordinary and turn it into something useful and beautiful. Turn trash to treasure, do high-end tubes, basically do a lot of DIY, decor, home, recipe, serve, everything in budget. And if that sounds great to you, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video and do hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's decor video is part of the challenge Spring Coffee Table Decor Challenge 2020 that is being hosted by Sharon from Creative Glam and Cheryl from iStylemyStyle. I'll put links to both the ladies' channels in the description box below and to the playlist that they have created for more inspirations related to decor as well as DIYs. Today I'm going to decorate my coffee table, and as I place in each and every item, I'll let you know which is the DIY and I'll show you how I use it in my decor, and I'll put a link either in the cards above and also as well in the description box below, plus you will have them in the playlist. This is my section of living room. This is a corner where I sit and do the introduction. Side table, the sofa set in dark upholstery, some paintings on the top, green cushions and another sofa set. Here is a lot of colorful rug over which I have this coffee table. It's basically a garden table, but I use it in my room because I like the light structure of this. It doesn't feel very cluttered or clustered and gives that light, airy, fresh feel. I have painted the legs white and added some jute rugs on the joints to give it a little bohemian touch. The top is wood, and this is where I'm going to decorate today. To begin, I'm using two coffee table books. I think I'm pretty clear. Yeah. I'm using two coffee table books. They are in the same covers, and this is again a trash to treasure DIY. I'll put a link above and I put them in one corner. I maintain a symmetry and a distance from sides. Next, to get more height, I'm adding two boxes. This is a wooden box, very pretty light wood color, and this is a false malachite green hand painted box. It's another DIY of mine, and I'm going to place over the books to give it a little more height and elevation. This is another trash to treasure tray that I made. It had a golden base. I added this same thing, same pattern here to bind things together. So this becomes a spring tray now. It is another DIY. I'll put a card link above. Inside this is a Himeli structure or a geometrical decor structure in copper color. This is another DIY of mine. You will find this in the DIY and decor playlist. I love this structure. I place it inside the tray. How can spring be complete without flowers? And I got this flowers here. These are false flowers or fake flowers. This is my beautiful golden tray, leaf tray, and I love it, and it's always there in my living room. These are simple bottles that I just added some jute strings, added some water, and as I said, I got some flowers So I'm going to put them together, and even an ordinary item, when you can add them in numbers, they become a collection and they look good. So you see I have greens on both ends and the pink and the reds in the center, and pink and green and white patterned paper. It somehow balances everything and brings everything together well. Getting a closer look, here is the vase with the false flowers in the geometric structure over this pretty tray, by fresh flowers on the gold leaf tray, and the stack of books in boxes. I think this has come out beautiful. I like it. What do you think about this? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please share it and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you everyone soon in my next video. And until then, take care. Thank you so much for your visit, and thank you so much for your time.